Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
The son of Idavida, Lord Kuvera, was very pleased, and happily he gave Dhruv Maharaj the benediction he wanted. Thereafter he disappeared from Dhruva's presence, and Dhruv Maharaj returned to his capital city. Kuvera, who is known as the son of Idavida, was very pleased with Dhruv Maharaj because he did not ask him for anything materially enjoyable. Kuvera is one of the demigods, so one may put forward the argument, why did Dhruv Maharaj take a benediction from a demigod? The answer is that for a Vaishnav there is no objection to taking a benediction from a demigod if it is favourable for advancing Krishna consciousness. The gopis, for example, worshipped Katyayani, a demigoddess, but the only benediction they wanted from the goddess was to have Krishna as their husband. A Vaishnav is not interested in asking any benediction from the demigods, nor is he interested in asking benedictions from the Supreme Personality of Godhead. It is said in the Bhagavatam that liberation can be offered by the Supreme Person, but even if a pure devotee is offered liberation by the Supreme Lord, he refuses to accept it. Dhruv Maharaj did not ask Kuvera for transference to the spiritual world, which is called liberation. He simply asked that wherever he would remain, whether in the spiritual or material world, he would always remember the Supreme Personality of Godhead. A Vaishnav is always respectful to everyone. So when Kuvera offered him a benediction, he did not refuse it. But he wanted something which would be favourable to his advancement in Krishna consciousness.